Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 10 simple steps for parent-child bonding. Very important issues nowadays, and it will be an evergreen topic. The social issues which touch the heart of the writers have always surfaced in fiction, non-fiction, books and newspapers and other social media. Now these are shared through blogs and blogs also. People should at least lend an ear and spare 5-10 minutes to listen to such hardcore social issues and learn to mend themselves in their own interest, as well as in the interest of their family and the society. Nobody should think they know everything and there is no need to relearn anything. One should always be curious to learn like a child and share with others. I read one short book on the subject written by M. Hassan on Rupa publication and it touched my heart instantly. I thought to write on this issue. Parents are always kind to children. Over generations, they always pray to God to keep their children happy. But our traditional practices and leniency have not always resulted in ensuring our children happy and socially well adjusted. While we help children to be safe and remain secure in early age, we do not leave this habit even when they are grown up. Our children, even if they are now in their 40s and beyond, they remain as our children and we always advise them to keep good physical health, strong mental health, practice emotional intelligence to win over challenges and confrontations, nurture soft skills, respect character strengths and virtues, and live a good life with strong personal values which they have inherited from their ancestors. Grandparents still cannot refuse the fifth piece of lollipop to their grandchildren. But when we must rise to the occasion and help children not to inherit the diabetic conditions, unhygienic practices, not to spoil their eyes by constantly keeping eyes on the mobiles, smartphones to see games. Even the 5-year-old child is now addicted to smartphones, which is difficult to control, although not impossible. Parents must see the bigger picture while submitting to the demands of the children for the present. Offering a smartphone or a laptop to a child may not be costly affair for many parents in middle class or rich families. But they must think the consequences if those are continuously misused. Study times are badly affected. Constantly watching the blue screen affects the eyes very badly. Emotional eating hampers their health. Challenges increasingly come up in different directions if not handled properly as they grow from 3 to 5 to 8, 13 years and more. Closeness is multidirectional. Dads who spare time to help their babies build closer relationships. Give time and attention to your child daily from morning to evening. It is not only the responsibility of the mother to grow a child. It is the responsibility of parents and grandparents and the total family. Earlier it is used to be said whole village is required to raise a child. So give time and attention to your child daily from morning to evening. Maintain a bedtime for the children based on their age, which may vary from 8 to 10 hours a day, irrespective of weekends. Second, very important, habit of going to bed at a particular time must be maintained and can never be compromised for any reason. Do not keep any mobile or laptop near bed. Do not work on laptop or tablet or smartphone in bedroom when child sleeps. Telling stories to children to help them sleep early and well is a good habit and must be maintained by parents. Help children to eat at their own as they grow. Eat together as a family with your 5-year-old child. Give care and attention, children will remain healthy and they will grow being independent to choose their food under their care, under your care. Help children to play at their own, study and remain tech free. Let them have a specific place and specific time for the same. Be trustworthy. Show your integrity in your daily interactions. Always speak the truth. Keep your promises. Do not make a false promise. If you cannot fulfill their desires, explain it with the reason. Be clear what you want from children. Discipline wisely when you handle abnormal behaviors like extraordinary addiction to internet, YouTube, games, and when they disregard your advices. Sometimes play like ostrich, at times like tiger. Be flexible in your approach. Love and discipline as and when required. Allow children to speak up and let them win over you if they are right in their approach. Do not do anything for which you may later on repent. Help them to learn good stories with strong moral. Help them tell stories to you on Mother Duck, John and Ron, and other aspects. Mind it, children read your attention and focus when you bite your tongue and breathe. Always look at the bigger picture. Be patient, tolerate, and try to forgive as much as you can. There may be a lot of conflicting situations and challenges in various aspects of health, education, but you must keep your goal clear to help them to grow healthy, happy, and prosperous. Provide proper education and instill right social values within them. Help them to strengthen themselves to establish anywhere in the world. Even long after they are grown and flown to other countries, far away from you, their relationship with you will have stronger influence on them. It is up to them how they will refer to you, how they will relate to you, but the bond will never end. Thank you. Wish you all the best.